Vrnjacka Banja is situated about 200 kilometres south of Belgrade on the slopes of Goch mountain, 230 metres above sea level. For years it's been well known and recognised as a centre of Serbian spa tourism. Vrnjacka Banja is very well connected by road transport to other parts of our country. It has a continental temperate climate with snowy winters. The average annual temperature is 10. In summer, 20 degrees. The story of this well-known spa begins in the ancient past. The Roman well Fons Romanus and the coins from between the 1st century and the first part of the 4th century of the new era are the testament of its long and interesting history. But there is a date from more recent history, the 14th of July 1868, which no doubt marks out the future of this spa. That day, the first Society for Promotion of Hot Mineral Water was founded and raised some money to establish this spa as a health resort. This was definitely the first tourist organisation in Serbia whose existence made people interested in the benefits of the mineral waters of Vrnjacka Banja. Many kings, rulers and great men of their time stayed in Vrnjacka Banja. It gave them its benefits and its beauty, and they gave it back a spirit of elitism which still lives on. Nowadays, having a long tradition and being part of tourism for so many years, Vrnjacka Banja's spa, with its special qualities and characteristics, is taking the lead in Serbian tourism. Mineral springs are synonymous with Vrnjacka Banja. According to international classification, the mineral waters are divided into cold, slatina, snezhnik and jezero, and hot. The hot mineral water is unique in the world because it has the temperature of the human body, 36.5 degrees. The uses of the mineral waters are many, including drinking, inhaling and bathing. The health centre is well equipped with the most up-to-date facilities for diagnostic, prevention, rehabilitation and the treatment of many diseases, but most of all for diabetes, diseases of the digestive system and chronic gynecological illnesses. The Wellness Centre, Fons Romanus, is a modern spa facility where in the shortest period of time the best results in the process of spiritual and physical recovery can be achieved. Relaxation and body harmony is achieved by physical activities, rest and body care. The qualified medical staff, doctors, physiotherapists and masseurs take care of clients and their needs. The accommodation capacity of Vrnjacka Banja is about 15,000 beds, 5,000 belonging to hotels and resting places, the other 10,000 to boarding houses, apartments and villas. Restaurants, bowling alleys, saunas and fitness centres are available too. Vrnjacka Banja is visited by 150,000 guests each year who make 600,000 night stays. Congress tourism is well developed in Vrnjacka Banja. Conferences, symposiums, seminars and fairs take place here. Banja provides several halls, and the largest one is in the Congress Centre Zvezda, containing 1,200 seats. There are a few smaller halls which offer good conditions for any kind of gathering. Vrnjacka Banja provides great possibilities for sport practice, sport meetings and recreational sports. The Sports Centre Raj, the Stadium of Minor Sports Kocka, many tennis courts, 2 outdoor swimming pools, one of them Olympic size, a few indoor swimming pools, a modern aqua centre and other facilities are designed to accommodate and satisfy any client. The mountain Goch, which is only a few kilometres from Vrnjacka Banja, has recently become very attractive for winter sports fans. Ski slopes with ski lifts are available, and skiing by night is always a special experience. Hunting tourism has been expanded as well. There are commercial hunting fields on Goch. It's very well stocked with deer, and there are wild boars. The river Zapadna Morava and the pools in Podunavci, which are near to Vrnjacka Banja, are an ideal place for lovers of fishing. Vrnjacka Banja is well known for its rich cultural and entertainment programme. Live music on the beautiful terraces of Vrnjacka Banja, outdoor concerts in the Central Park, exhibitions and concerts in Beli Markovic Castle and in the amphitheatre. Festivals of pop and folk music are only a part of this offer. The film festival is a highlight of the cultural events taking place in Vrnjacka Banja. The traditional carnival of Vrnjacka Banja is certainly the event which you mustn't miss. It takes place in the middle of July. During the carnival week, Vrnjacka Banja becomes the centre for carnival lovers gathering from all over the world. If you spent here a few days of your holiday, you would be delighted by the atmosphere, the vivid colours and the good spirit. You could experience something remarkable, so if you haven't been here yet, next year find your mask and with your best summer smile come to Vrnjacka Banja Carnival. You are welcome. The parks, which have a timeless beauty, are the symbol of Vrnjacka Banja. A stroll along the Vrnjacka River leads to the part of the park with sculptures, works of our own and foreign artists. Together with rare exotic plants, they make an unforgettable sight. The spa promenade is the central place of gathering and meeting. Vrnjacka Banja is surrounded by beautiful nature, sheltered by green plane trees. Our monasteries, Ljubostinja, Jica, Studenica, Sopotčani and Stubal, live in their own time. Those monasteries are the testament of our exciting history. Besides the monasteries and churches, the remains of the ancient fortresses Ras, Maglic, Vrnjak and Kosnik still watch over the old roads. Vrnjacka Banja is a place worth coming to, a place for rest, recreation and entertainment. If you're looking for peace, love and warmth, come to our spa. Being in Vrnjacka Banja doesn't mean only a different place to stay. It can also be a pleasant journey to the past, taking a romantic ride in a carriage or in a popular mini train. Lock your love and unforgettable memories on the bridge of love and share your secrets with other lovers who were here and had the time of their life. Welcome to Vrnjacka Banja. We hope to make your wishes come true, and more than that, to make you come back here again.
Hotel Merkur, an oasis of health and relaxation, is the holder of medical, rehabilitation, recreation and relaxation offer of this place. Merkur offers its guests a regular medical examinations and controls combined with high-quality holiday. Under the slogan "We erase boundaries between treatment and enjoyment," this hotel opened the first Serbian wellness center with numerous offers. Swimming in the beneficial and healing water in jacuzzi and pearl bath, massages on request, beneficial effects of tepidarium and Turkish bath. Here you can feel like royal in the royal and queen's bathroom with an exclusive and specific offer, union of wellness and aesthetics. The largest indoor swimming pool with mineral water Aqua Center waterfall offers the opportunity to the guests to taste good feelings and relaxation with waterfall, water canyon, Knipes shower and other offers. This water world is completed with fitness center, sauna and tepidarium. Next to Aqua Center we also offer fitness center Merkur Gym with modern machines that will bring your body to perfection and make your beauty to shine in full glory. In the wellness center Vons Romanus, guests can use swimming pool with thermal mineral water and underwater massage, sauna park, Turkish bath. To achieve a complete balance of body and spirit, over 24 types of hand massages are available, with essential oils, volcanic stones, hot chocolate, aromatherapy, anti-stress treatments. Wellness Center also offers manicure, pedicure and solarium. For intimate relaxation, give your body the queen and the royal bathroom. Guests in Merkur has full comfort in the rooms of high category, hotel, cinema, library, a terrace for enjoying in the sun, bars and restaurants. And for those who are not on a diet, all 3 meals are served in the Swedish table on which could be found 15 different meals. Full capacity and satisfied guests are the best advertisement for the hotel. Merkur reaches 150,000 nights per year, of which 30% are by the foreign guests. Great Sports Hall Vlade Divac bears the name of the world-famous basketball player. The hall is located in an exclusive location in the first zone of Vrnjacka Banja near the bus station. Auditorium can take 1800 visitors in its full capacity. The size of hall with all additional rooms is 3370 square meters. A height of arena is 12 meters. Arena contains fighting arena and all additional rooms, including 10 offices, large press conference room, fitness center and gymnastic hall. The sports hall is meant to satisfy all needs of professional athletes in different kinds of indoor sports and also can be used for concerts, shows, festivals and fairs. This year, of June the 18th to 21st, Vrnjacka Banja was the host of the 7th Balkan Youth Table Tennis Championships. In this competition, the national teams came from Bosnia and Herzegovina, Bulgaria, former Yugoslavian Republic of Macedonia, Montenegro, Romania, Serbia and Turkey. Coaches of these teams and delegates clearly expressed satisfaction not only with the arena but also with complete organization of the championship, accommodation, conditions for training, transport and beautiful spa environment. This is the proof that Vrnjacka Banja accomplished all conditions to become a leader of table tennis competitions on the territory of Eastern Europe.
I think the organizing system is very nice. All things is very good. You have one very nice hall and very good and friendly people. This is very important from organizing, and generally when the people is friendship about all, it's very easy to organizing big tournaments, big events about the sports.
This tournament, I think so, very good organization with all, with hotel, with food, with training, with competition. My players say feel very good in this country, and I hope so another year come back here in our.
Besides the 7th Balkan Youth Table Tennis Championships, Vrnjacka Banja this year was also the host to the national teams of European Youth Handball Championship, which also passed in good play, fun and friendship. Welcome to Vrnjacka Banja. You will bring good memories and you will visit us again.